Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the ringtone for the contacts on your Android phone. So we want to go to the Google Play Store, and the best way to do this is simply getting this application called Zedge. Go to search, type in Zedge, and then search for this application, Zedge. Open this up, wallpapers and ringtones. Now you don't have to buy this or anything. So hit the cross in the top right and just go to the X. And there's going to be ads on here, which is fine. You can always just close it out and then open it up if you get a pop-up ad. So if you get something like that, just close it, open this up. Then go to search and type in any kind of song you want. So I have like Imagine Dragons, Elvis Presley, Air Supply, Tom Petty. Let's go to like Yankee Doodle or something like that. If I can remember how to spell this, Yankee Doodles. Oh, here we go. And then we can go to the ringtones. 196 ringtones with this kind of song. And then we can go to the song. We can listen to it if we press play. Otherwise, we can go to download. Now we have like a couple different options on here. We have set as ringtone. So if you set as ringtone, anyone who calls will be this volume, will be this song. So we can go to the cross now. Set as notification, maybe like a message, set alarm sound, then set contact. So we want to go to set contacts, and then we can choose our mother or grandmother or something like that, our father or our children. So we can set custom sounds for each person calling. So set ringtone for everyone, set contact ringtone for individuals. And then you can save the meeting and you can download it right here if you really want on your phone. But just set it as the contact ringtone, so we can go to set ringtone, boom. Boom. That's all it does. And now, anytime someone calls, will be Yankee Doodle. But a lot of times I just go to the contacts for each individual person, and I come up with custom sounds for them. So, like, maybe my dad could be Yankee Doodle, and my mom could be like Doom or something like that. So I can type in Doom. It will be like a video game kind of, soundtrack or something like that. I could play this and set it up. So just look at different sounds. Custom sounds are really easy to come across on this, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.